Hi guys, namaste. Making second video from forest. Beautiful energies, beautiful energies. Blessings to us all. The divine peace and healing. Absolutely amazing, isn't it? So let's enjoy together. Everything that I see and I observe in a moment of now. So beautiful. Only love. Only love. I am so grateful. I'm so grateful for being alive. I'm so grateful for this experience of here and now. The air is nice and fresh. Energies are beautiful. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Look at this. So this is one of our trails, and I'm so grateful that we're keeping all this still accessible to humans and to experience this. Thank you for everyone who's keeping our trails alive. I love you guys all so much. All the guardians of the planet Earth and the nature, thank you. Okay, let me take you back into the forest. Just stop and listen and feel. Feel the love. Magic. Magic starts with our perception. To experience magic, one has to believe it first. Even if you never experience it, if you believe it, that's all you need. Spirits of the forest are awakened and is recognizing our divine essence of our soul. Well, hello. Thank you for loving us and for giving us the oxygen. Thank you for supporting me and everyone else on this planet. So beautiful, such a beautiful dance, isn't it? Spirit of air, spirit of the forest, of the trees, spirit of the water, spirit of the soil, the earth. Feel the tree. Feel it. Take that time sometimes. Take that time. Thank you for everything. For protecting us. Trees playing lots of important roles for the animals. It is home. They're providing the home. For many animals, it's safety, where they can hide from humans and they can still live the life that they're supposed to be living in a nature, free, away from humanity and the matrices. That has nothing to do with them. They came here to support ecologically and spiritually Gaia and all our kingdoms. Yeah. Listen. Namaste, namaste. Wonderful energies. Oh, so much love. so grateful that I can tape this. This is so amazing. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for loving everyone unconditionally. You are, the trees are example of unconditional love. They do feel pain when we interfere in their growth. We cut their branches because we think we're giving them the favor. We interfering in their growth because we think we have that wisdom. What's the best for trees? We don't even know what's best for us. And we are, we think we know everything. We don't even, most to humanity, most to individuals, still think that money will bring them happiness. Guys, money bring you safety and 3D. Money bring you maybe comfort and different experiences. Money are beautiful to have. It's only experience. It's only experience. You don't have oxygen. If you have a sick lungs, money will not. You may receive better care, but death, it's fair for all. And yeah, some of us can extend the time of our existence on this planet when we understand and really create a relationship with ourselves. Thank